What's up, it's me. Welcome to another video. And today we're gonna be making tea for my daddy. Let's get it. So first, there's water in the kettle. Then you have to plug it. After that, you hear the thing like that, and then you have to press this one and press it again till it turns red. And now you have to leave it. So, see you guys. So guys, it's done now. So now I'm gonna make my daddy's tea. So you have to take, and daddy always like the cup. You have to take his special cup. So I think it's right here. So I didn't say it's special. Oh, I see you now. This is special cup. New York University. That's where he was. But now he's traveling here. So gotta erase it first so that the ants will not get in. So we gotta fill the warm water first. So after you fill the warm water, you have to disconnect it. After that, you put the cup. It's linked in. Like that goes like this. If your mom and dad likes lifting, make sure you comment down below and subscribe to my channel and my brother's channel. So guys, I have to add another one. My dad loves warm water. So guys, after that is I'm gonna put some sugar. Like so many sugar, guys. If I don't, it's gonna accidentally put some sugar. So after that, we're gonna put the lemon. We're gonna put the lemon. We're gonna put the lemon in the fridge. Right here. It's got lemon, real lemon. So we gotta put it like this. Because it has a hole. So gotta put it right here like this. Okay guys. And then I have to close it back and put it in the fridge again. Okay. I have to put everything back before I give my daddy the tea.
I will go upstairs too.
So guys, this is how my daddy's tea looks like. See guys, this is how my daddy's tea looks like. So I'm gonna put a spoon and drop it here, and then I have to mix it. So, guys, this is the end of the video. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and my brother's channel. See you guys. Peace!